Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Conrad Sangma, who is the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. A very big welcome to you, sir. Thank you for your time and being here with us. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, our very own Sri Preston Telsang, who is also the local MLA of Pynursla constituency. Sir Sanbor Shulai, who is the Minister of the Government of Meghalaya. Sir Gavin William, who is the MLA of Sora. We also have Sir Shakil Ahmed, who is the Chief Secretary of Government of Meghalaya, as well as Sir Hima Shangpiang, who is here with us, who is the next MLA of Mawsynram, and other dignitaries here today. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this momentous occasion, the inauguration of our new block office. Today marks not merely the opening of a new building, but the beginning of a new chapter in the journey of Pynursla CNRD block. A block that has stood tall with pride, resilience, and community spirit since its creation in 1960. Over the years, our block, home to 156 villages, has made remarkable progress, from improving rural connectivity and implementing flagship government programs to enhancing livelihoods through various government activities. Sir, in recent years, development initiatives under various schemes from MGNREGA, NRLM, and MBDA to agriculture and horticulture missions have further strengthened livelihoods and rural infrastructure. Our SHGs numbering over 100, some of the block's notable achievements in the past year under MGNREGA.
I only want to give a very short message to our individuals and our staff who are working out here in the block office. That at the end of the day, this is only a building. It is your service, your dedication, which will make it into a block office. I urge all of you that people from rural areas will come. People who don't understand what schemes and what application means. Please be kind to them. Please be sensitive to them. You might feel irritated that they're not doing the things in a proper manner. It's your duty to guide them. So I only appeal to you and to urge and to request all of you that let this be a place where we're able to serve the people with kindness and with humility, and make this an office where people would want to come and meet all of you and resolve their problems. Block offices are very, very important part of our governance. Close to 70% of the services we give are delivered through the block offices. If the block offices work well, our governance already has achieved 70% efficiency. And hence, a lot will depend on each one of you who works out here. So I conclude once again by urging all of you that please work with complete sincerity and commitment, and as I said, most importantly, with kindness in your heart. Remind yourself every morning why you are here, which is to serve the people of the state and serve them, as I said, with kindness. I wish you all the very best. I wish our BDO, a young officer who's here, and all the other officers who are working, I wish you all the very best, and may God bless this particular block, and may God bless each and every one of you. Thank you very much.
Okay. What? Yeah. Nicely. Yes, to approve, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. 3, yes, sir. Ya. Siap kali satu. One, two, three.
Chalo. We'll just enter the zeros. Oh, you've changed the outlay. In other blocks, it's that one. Yes, sir. Huh? Smaller. Huh?